What is going on YouTube? Hit back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, specifically in today's episode, I do have a few interesting things to go over here. Honestly, it's in regards to the major bull run breakout that we had within most of every single cryptocurrency. For the most part, the entire market kind of exploded to the upside, and it was doing so incredibly well here. But basically, what I'm trying to explain in today's video is you still have time to take advantage of the bull flag breakout had you have not taken advantage of it over the past couple of days. I know a lot of you guys have already commented explaining that you've taken advantage of the run, but does that mean you're out of luck? Does that mean that there's still not room? And even for those that did take advantage of the run, there's still time to continue to take advantage of the run by shorting this by shorting most of the cryptocurrencies, which I'm going to explain. Right now, markets are in some very weird standing right now where cryptocurrency is all the way up top while the S&P 500 is all the way at the bottom. And I kind of want to go over that with you guys. You can see here XRP has pretty much exploded, and we've been going over, especially in yesterday's video, that a flip is coming, a potential reversal is coming as we've started to peak at the top here. And you can see right now, we're at the top right now. You can see Ethereum has peaked at the top, but it was after major runs, massive explosions to the upside, starting to peak. You can see Bitcoin has exploded to the upside just like that right here, and it's starting to peak, and vice versa. While this is all happening, the S&P 500 is doing the exact opposite, dumping to the downside here. Quite ironic if you ask me, because we saw some sort of correlation between the two, and now we're actually starting to see reversals. So it is interesting that this is happening. However, I want to go over things with you because I think a flip is about to happen where volume might leave crypto, enter the S&P 500 stock market, or just the stock market will jump soon to the upside while cryptocurrency dips, which is good because it opens buying opportunities in the S&P and it opens short opportunities within cryptocurrency. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, before I do anything, I just want to talk really briefly about BidFi. As you guys can see, they're doing a free way to earn $200 in rewards. As you guys know, BidFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, even trade XRP, which is so unique to this channel here. You can see, grab your $200 rewards now. All you got to do is sign up and KYC. $50 coupon and $100 bonus, $150 in rewards just for signing up. And then activating the future account is another $50 bonus. So make sure to take advantage of this. It's completely free to sign up. Link down in the description below. Now, moving forward, you can see some interesting things that we got to go over. Yesterday's video and the past couple of videos, we've been pretty much watching the major bull run. We've called the bull run quite a while ago here. You can see numerous times where we said 9 days ago, 10 days ago, we just pumped triple bottom right here. You can see the higher low movements. You can see that we were hitting a bottom here, saying, did we just bottom after the beautiful rising wedge? You can see bull flag confirmed. We talked about the double bottom forming here. Double bottom actually confirmed breakout. We are now swinging to the upside here, and you can see the major bull run has taken over the past couple of videos. Massive rallies here. Well, now we need to talk about what exactly is going to happen. As I've said numerous times before, what goes up must come down, and theoretically that would most likely yield a reversal in a lot of these cryptos, a healthy one nonetheless. Market is trading at 71 on the Fear and Greed Index. We're up 1.25 trillion global crypto market. We are peaking at the top. This always happened after major explosions in the market. We peak, we either settle and head higher, or we dip downwards here, just like the ripple effect. When things get slammed and they explode up, they always come back down. Now you can see the consolidation that's taking over. Bitcoin has already seen 15% runs. Ethereum, almost 11% runs. We have 6.3, 6.5, 22, 19, 14, 46% more volume movement in the past couple of days than we've seen in the past couple of months in cryptocurrency. Now, you can see why we're kind of peaking, veering at the top, plateauing. Look, we're trading sideways now. We're trading sideways. Not a good thing for crypto because this usually implies a reversal. XRP trading sideways. Lots of these cryptos are showing their colors, saying, hey, we're at the top. There's a chance now that we might start to dip lower. So here is where we have to go. Here's the game plan here. If we break through conservatively, which would be the moving average on XRP. If we break through this floor here, this is a conservative buy-in. This is a moderate to aggressive buy-in. You can see it just like that. So one of two things might happen here. We either might consolidate on this, then breakout, and what that would look like is maybe a lower movement on the RSI, then a breakout. This would be the best overall plan, but it is definitely the riskier version of that. Next up is we break through support here for a more moderate to aggressive buy-in and a short to the downside here, which you can see would be like this. Something along those lines. Very possible we could break through, and if we break through, there's a good chance we're going to dump. Or we might break through it, rebound off this, then head up. It's very possible that could happen. Or if we just confirm closure below here, we will then more than likely see a dump to the downside here. So we have opportunities and options to really figure out what exactly is going on. We might intertwine within moving average here, then we might consolidate and break back up, because I think we're bullish nonetheless here within a lot of these cryptocurrencies, and that's what we're kind of waiting for, that key buy-in opportunity. Like I said, if you missed out on the bull run to the upside here, because I'm sure maybe some people have, well, it's not over just yet, because what goes up might come down very soon, or we actually might continue the pump. If we can consolidate here, a pump's going to come. Lowering ourselves to 50 on the RSI, followed by a reversal rally, is also a huge possibility. So keep that in mind. But everything is starting to show its true colors as veering off at the top. We're overbought, we're hitting resistances, we're pretty up there, and there's a good chance we can see the reversal. Look at Ethereum, another great example. We had a beautiful descending fractal here, beautiful break to the upside here. Here we are consolidating at the top, price ceiling, and you can see we're starting to veer off. We're having tons of problems in this zone right here. Major bull and bear battles, major bull, bear battles, major bull, bear battles. You can see it's the past 3 candles have been massive wicks, consistently massive wicks with very small closures, usually implying reversal. It's implying a struggle, and it's implying we've hit a peak, and a good chance a reversal will come. We're also overbought, trading at 73 on the relative strength indicator, another indicator of correction. So there's a good chance we might veer lower, back down to moving average, if not lower, to maybe somewhere here, maybe somewhere here, followed by a reversal. Because I am bullish on the markets here, but we are so overbought, it'd be very difficult to say, oh, we're going to break through this and explode up. Although that's what I'd like to see happen. There's a good chance consolidation is going to be needed first. We might consolidate to here, then break up. We might consolidate to here, then break up. But ideally, we are overbought, and I would think a correction in some sort is what's coming. And when it does happen, we can take advantage of that with BidFi and actually short it, which is why I like this exchange so much. You can see they have XRP to leverage trade, which means we can trade and short XRP when that time comes with the leverage right here with the free bonus in cryptocurrency, which you guys should all be taking advantage of here. Obviously, that's why I support them, because they're that good. They then have, you can see the amount of quantity that you'd like to do, long, short, as well as take profit and stop loss positions, which is definitely a bonus if you want to cover yourself in case market dips, or in case we have some big injections or reversals of market movements. Now, moving forward, you can see that's what we suspect. We had a major pump within crypto, within Ethereum. You know, a 20% rally is not sustainable here. We're not going to continue to pump higher. It was too quick. Good chance we'll come back down for a reversal, then move up higher. We might bounce off this downtrend here first off moving average, then head up higher. That would be the ideal plan. Same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs a healthy pullback. I mean, we've exploded now 30%. A healthy pullback is necessary. We're trading at 88 on the RSI. We are so overly extended that it is almost impossible to continue another pump to the upside here. It'd be very, very, very unlikely. Obviously, we're not buying in just yet, but expect very soon we put a stop loss or we put a buy in a little bit lower, maybe 33, maybe 33 on the dot. There's a good chance we might dump back down for a recovery position before heading up higher, because this was way too quick out of the blue. And obviously, conservatively, we need to see some sort of healthy pullback. It might cause consolidation after this major rally. We consolidated all the way here. We actually fell quite a bit, but we consolidated first. So we might see that now. As the markets on Bitcoin kind of like to see these pennant flag formations here. So if we take kind of a ghost pattern here, we take a ghost signal. I just need to find it on the charts because they're always changing this stuff here. But basically, what we would, or what I'd like to do, and they're always changing these. Here we go, ghost, or let's do bars pattern. Let's say we take something like this, which is the previous movements here. We then place it over here. This is kind of what I would look for. Some sort of consolidation, because you can see when we originally exploded and consolidated, this consolidation allowed us to lower ourselves in the RSI. So we could very easily see some movement like this, and then a healthy conservative pullback down to 31K, And then see another breakout yet again to higher positions than we had originally had. So look at this. This is what I think could very well happen. It aligns up very well, and we'll see if that plays out. But even then, if we do see that short, that'll be the opportunity, or that drop, that'll be that opportunity on BidFi to short Bitcoin right here. Just click that. You can short it. Now, moving forward with the S&P, this is where things get weirder. We have now dropped and fallen down below a major support. Where are we actually? We're actually retesting the weekly moving average perfectly, which is definitely a good sign. We called this many weeks ago that the opportunity to buy in would be down at the bottom here. You can see the lowest point within the market, which is going to be very soon, and again, was right here, which is interesting, or here, depending on how you want to look at it. But right here was pretty low. This was trading at 35 on the RSI. Where are we right now? Well, we're at, if this moves, we're at 30, we're at 40 on the RSI. So we might head a little lower. We could very well easily retest support here. This would be a prime opportunity that I'd be taking to put more money in for potential reversal off that. I think we're still in a higher low pattern on the weekly. We're still creating highs that are higher than the last, or lows higher than the last, and that would indicate a potential reversal here. So even though we are dipping, I'm not too worried, because I think we're going to find a bottom soon and then start to head up. So keep your eyes peeled. But again, I think the bottom is near for the S&P. It makes sense that we're retesting moving average yet again, and I think we'll see that reversal out of it very soon. So opportunities to buy in on the S&P, and maybe, just maybe, if that reversal happens and the S&P heads up, maybe we'll see Bitcoin start to pull back down too at the same time. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.